Sup squad, welcome to the channel. My name is Meshna and I am a landscape photographer and filmmaker based here in San Francisco, California. And if you're just joining us, welcome on into the channel. Today we're looking at a really quick tutorial on how to add any cover photo to your Instagram videos to make that feed just pop like, it's gonna look so good. But first, the intro. So imagine you've just finished up a tasty little edit on a dope little Instagram video. You're going to post it and then you realize, farts. I don't know what to use as the cover photo. And even though that's not the most important part of the video itself, it is important for the overall look and feel of your feed. Now you're panicking. You don't want the grossness that is just the mere screenshot of one frame in your video to be kind of forever immortalized on your beautiful grid. If you're not my friends, I've got you covered, literally. So here's the deal. Basically, you need to have that photo that you want to use as your grid present somewhere within the video. For me personally, I like to put it at the end. Some people put it at the beginning and flash the photo real quick. I like to have it at the end because, let's be honest, not a lot of people get all the way to the end of your video. And if they did get all the way through, say, a 60-second video, that means they really liked it anyways, so it's totally fine. Now, luckily for us, it only has to show for like a couple of frames. So let's go ahead and hop into Premiere and take a look at how we can do that. Okay, so I've just jumped into Premiere. The edit itself is done, and all I need to do is add on a little bit at the end to use as our cover photo. So now let's just go ahead and import a photo of your choosing. I'm personally going to use this one of Colin doing a handstand down this tree tunnel. I'm a huge sucker for leading lines, and I've already kind of pre-selected which one I want because I know it's going to fit within my grid. We can talk more about planning out the grid at a later episode, but that's the one that I'm going to go ahead and choose. We'll go ahead and add it to the end, scale it to fit our sequence. I used a 1x1 for this sequence because I filmed it in landscape and I wasn't sure if I was going to edit in horizontal or vertical. So I just wanted to have a little bit of leeway there, and worst case scenario, I could always use a square crop. So all we need to do now is simply add it to the end and just take 2 frames, 1, 2, cut it there, extend your timeline to fill those last 2 added frames, hit export, boom, Bob is your uncle, you are good to go. Now just go ahead and transfer that video to your phone via AirDrop or Google Drive or Dropbox, whatever you see fit. And let's go ahead and upload that bad boy to Instagram. When you go to upload the photo to Instagram, we'll go ahead and select cover, slide it all the way to the end, and you will notice that your beautiful new cover photo is sitting there waiting for you. Good to go. Now you've got yourself a nice tasty grid full of bangers. It's so sweet. All right, guys, I told you this was a quick one. So please, if you did like this video, go ahead and play thumb on with the like button. Comment below what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.